2021 Toyota Venza oil light, maintenance light reset. We're going to be using these arrow buttons right here, this OK button, and then maybe this back button. So first, we're going to hit this arrow button. Let me get closer to the menu there. Alright, so this menu on the side right here, we're going to go down to that gear by pushing the down arrow. Alright, right there. Then we're going to go hit the right arrow, go all the way right over. We're going to go to this car with the gear on it, detail settings, push and hold OK. Okay. And then we're going to go down to scheduled maintenance, push and hold OK. Scheduled maintenance, reset data. I'm going to go up to yes, hit yes. Scheduled maintenance, reset complete. And that's how you do it. 2021 Toyota Venza. Now the oil maintenance is you go down right here, same thing. So you were at schedule maintenance, go down to oil maintenance, push and hold OK. Same thing, reset maintenance data, hit yes. Reset complete, that's how you do it.